All right, last one. Did you see this? It was trending #1.
No, The Call, Pepsi Super Bowl halftime show official trailer. Nope, I did not see any of this.
I'm not going to play it because it has music.
Can you skip through it?
I can skim through it.
Okay, there's a chess match going on. There's Eminem.
There's Eminem.
Mom spaghetti.
Yeah. So he's going through, and it's a really nice music video.
Okay.
That's detailing a lot of old school hip hop music.
Okay.
So Eminem and there's Snoop. He's on his lowrider.
Oh, right. So they're doing like a classic hip hop halftime show for the Super Bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, they're making their way to the Super Bowl stadium.
Snoop's got the lowrider going on. That's Mary J. Blige?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So she's on her Bugatti, making her way as well. And
why not?
There's Kendrick.
Mm-hmm.
He's in his, I guess.
He's writing.
He's in the lab.
He's working.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you see Dre.
Oh, wow. Dre, who's out of the hospital, I guess. He's all fixed up.
Yeah.
Because he had some, was it a brain aneurysm? He was in rough shape, whatever it was. He was hospitalized.
It was really tough. But it just, there's a theme of like chess and them owning the city kind of thing. And then they all drive to the stadium where they're going to perform.
SoFi Stadium. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So you're pumped for this.
I think this is cool because even in the comments, they're just saying like you're witnessing like legends, like, nostalgia, like in the past. These people were like pretty influential in our lives, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's our era for sure.
And then you're not getting like like a Katy Perry, like a more modern, artist.
Mm-hmm.
You get like the old school, which I think this is a nice little thing that they did.
Yeah, #1 on trending. The Call, Pepsi, Super Bowl, halftime show. Go check the trailer. Prepare yourself. Super Bowl coming up.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of classic performers. Which one of those performers... Kendrick doesn't count because he's a new performer, Will. I just realized that. You were saying it's all classics. You saying there's no Katy Perry. Well, I'm not comparing to Katy Perry, but I'm saying he's a new...
Well,
he's
the newcomer from these legends. I would go for M.
They passed the torch.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're physically going to do that.
I think so.